Good morning! Share ko lang po sa inyo yung naisip ko ngayong umaga. Bali, Are You Sleeping song po. Tapos nag-create ako ng 5 awitin na ang tono ay Are You Sleeping? Okay, let's start. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. The next, good morning song. Good morning, children. Good morning, teacher. How are you? We are fine. Are you ready today? Yes, we are, teacher. Let's start now. Let's start now. The next song, number 1 to 10 song. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Numbers, numbers. The next one, animal song. Lion, monkey, tiger. Lion, monkey, tiger. Elephant, giraffe. Elephant, giraffe. Hippo, zebra, crocodile. Hippo, zebra, crocodile. Bear and deer. Bear and deer. And the last one, color song. Red, yellow, green. Red, yellow, green. White, black, gray. White, black, gray. Blue, pink, orange, purple, brown. Blue, pink, orange, purple, brown. Colors, colors. Okay, ulitin ko po. Medyo nagkamali ako doon sa third part. Red, yellow, green. Red, yellow, green. White, black, gray. White, black, gray. Blue, pink, orange, purple, brown. Blue, pink, orange, purple, brown. Colors, colors. Salamat po. Sana nagustuhan ninyo. Pwede po ito sa kinder up to grade 1.